deluge sprinkler system is a type of fire suppression system that rapidly discharges a large volume of water over a wide area. Unlike traditional sprinkler systems, where individual sprinklers activate based on heat, a deluge system utilizes open sprinkler heads and a detection system to trigger the simultaneous release of water from all nozzles when a fire is detected. This immediate, widespread application of water is designed to quickly control or extinguish fires, particularly in high-hazard areas where rapid fire spread is a concern. Here's a more detailed explanation. Key features of a deluge system. Open sprinkler heads. Deluge systems use open sprinkler heads, meaning the nozzles are not sealed and do not require heat to activate. Detection system. A separate detection system such as smoke detectors, heat detectors, or flame detectors is used to identify a fire and trigger the deluge valve. Deluge valve. A deluge valve controls the flow of water to the sprinkler system. When activated by the detection system, it opens to release water to all sprinkler heads simultaneously. Dry piping. The piping connected to the sprinkler heads is typically dry, not filled with water, until the deluge valve is opened. How it works. 1. Detection. When a fire occurs, the detection system, for example, smoke detector, identifies the fire and sends a signal to the deluge valve. 2. Valve activation. The deluge valve, upon receiving the signal, opens and allows water from the water supply to flow into the piping network. 3. Water discharge. The water is then discharged from all open sprinkler heads, creating a deluge of water over the protected area. Applications. Deluge systems are commonly used in high-hazard industrial facilities, chemical plants, oil refineries, aircraft hangars, and power plants, areas with flammable materials where rapid fire spread is a significant risk, facilities requiring immediate fire suppression to protect valuable assets or prevent catastrophic damage. Benefits of deluge systems. Rapid fire suppression. The simultaneous release of water quickly inundates the affected area, helping to control or extinguish fires before they spread. Effective in high-hazard areas. Ideal for locations where fires can spread quickly and cause significant damage. Versatile. Can be used with water, foam, or other extinguishing agents depending on the hazard. Last video, if you remember, we covered a fire sprinkler system, which is an active fire protection method consisting of a network of pipes, sprinkler heads, and a water supply designed to automatically detect and suppress fires. These systems are crucial for minimizing fire damage and ensuring the safety of building occupants by providing a controlled release of water to extinguish or control the spread of fire. This special video is Protect and Prevent Fire. Thank you, Ikinyarwanda Dukunda ID. Please share and subscribe. We love our firemen.